you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the April Allure beauty box to show you. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, the April 2025 Allure Beauty Box just arrived. I'm actually excited to see what's inside. I only know of the one we got to pick the product, and we actually already got to choose the product for the May box, which is a difference of 4 different colors, I believe, as far as a blush goes. So I went in and I chose which color that I'm gonna get for you guys because I don't really do blush, but I chose a pretty color for one of you guys. So let's go ahead and see what's all in the April box. You always have the brochure right on top with a gorgeous woman right on the front. And then inside of here, we'll go over the products that are going to be inside of the box and give us some pricing and a little bit more information about each product. And there's a sneak peek to inside of the box. All right, so let's go ahead and find the one product that we got to customize, which is this YSL Love Shine Candy Glaze Gloss. And I'm actually really excited about that. So this one we were able to choose between, let me find it in here, 4 different colors. And this is the full size for 11 ounces and it's $42. So this one product alone right here is almost double the price of the entire box. So let's get this open. And again, I'm really excited. I chose it in color 15, Showcasing Nude. I didn't really want a color. If you follow me, I don't really have color or anything on my lips. So I thought that I wanted to get the lightest color that would be more of a nude. And this is like really heavy, feels like really heavy duty packaging. It has the YSL logo that goes across. And there's the color. Ooh. I put it on the top of my hand just so you can see the pigment. And put a little on. It feels nice too. So I actually really like that we could choose the color and I could choose the nice little light color. But again, there was 4 different shades that you can choose from. And there is product number 1 valued already at $42. I'm super excited about that product right there. Even if I don't keep anything else in this box, that definitely paid for the entire box and I'm excited about it. So let's move on to the next one. This is a Vite C Papaya Enzyme Scrub by Rodial. I'm not sure. This says brighten and renew. Now that it says scrub, I'm assuming it probably has like those little particles in there to exfoliate your skin. And I just don't care for that type of a product. Yeah, it says that it is a slightly gritty texture. And so that's that texture that I don't care for. So I'm gonna gladly put this in a future giveaway for one of you guys. It is a 70 mil, is that what this is? Yes, 70 mil. So this is the full size product valued for $50. So far we're almost at $100 just for these 2 right here. This again will go in a future giveaway for one of you guys to hopefully enjoy or to pass down to somebody who will. $50 value right there. Next we have is a styling cream, light and flexible. So I wonder if this is for your hair. This here says, rake a generous dollop through damp hair, then style or air dry. Full size product valued at $39. But it says that it makes a versatile styling cream for getting polished looks for minimal effort on straight, wavy, or curly hair. I personally don't put anything in my hair, so I will gladly put this in my future giveaway for one of you guys to enjoy. All right, so next up, this is this a toner? Yes, it's a toner. This is the Truffle Therapy Skin & Co toner. This I know is not a full size because I've received the full size before, which is a 200 mil, and this here is a 75 mil. The 200 mil, the full size, is $27. And again, this is a sample size of the product, but then you can try it out. And if you like it, then you can purchase the full size. but I really, really like that. And I've used one of their toners before and I did enjoy it. So I'm super glad to get another one. And that's even a great size for like travel because it's under the 3.5 ounce. You can take this with you. So that's great. So there's that item. Next we have, it says green tea seed hyaluronic cream, and it's a 15 ml. This looks like it would have came in 2 different products. It would have been sent at random, it looks like, for a cherry blossom glow jelly cream or a green tea seed hyaluronic cream. So you would have received one or the other. And it says smooth a dime-sized dollop over skin each morning and or night. So for the Cherry Blossom Glow Jelly Cream, it's a 50 ml for the full size valued at $28. And for the Green Tea Seed Hyaluronic Cream is a 50 ml for the full size and it's $30 for that one. Either one would have been a 15 ml sample in this box. So here's this. And there's the product on the inside, and there you go. I have so many different types of face like products that I have to use, so I think I'm just gonna save this for one of you guys to try out and see if you guys like it. But again, one of 2, I got the green tea seed hyaluronic cream. All right, there's one item left in here, you guys, and it says beauty for certain, Playa to Palazzo. I'm not sure, it's an eyeshadow palette. Full size value, $39. So in this box, you guys, we have 4 full size products this time. So let me show you what this looks like. Here's the packaging. Again, this is valued for $39. And there's that. When we open her up, ooh, at least you can create like one look with these colors. Trying to get the glare off. So you have the dark brown, the lighter brown, and then to the lighter colors. And the one right in the middle, golden, is a shimmer. So that is actually really pretty. I don't know if I'm gonna hang on to this or pass this just because I have so many brown palettes. But I do really like that you can create a whole entire look with this one palette. Again, valued for $39. Beauty for Certain eyeshadow palette. So now that is everything for the April 2025 Allure Beauty Box. So a quick recap, you have this eyeshadow palette, which I really love the colors inside, which can create one entire look. You have this, what was this one again? A enzyme scrub. You have the YSL lip gloss. You have the hair styling cream. You have the hyaluronic cream and the toner. All right, you guys, so again, now that is everything for this April box. Comment down below, let me know, what did you think of the items inside? What do you think of the one we can customize, the YSL with the 4 different colors? Do you get this box? Do you want to get this box? And don't forget, for May, next month, we get to choose between a blush. So that is super, super exciting. If you would like to get a little bit more information about this for like the pricing, I will let you know right about now. So if you want to do monthly, box per box, it's normally $29.99, but they currently have a $10 off your first box. Quarterly, they have a special bringing it down to $79 for 3 boxes. And if you want to go to a full annual, they have a current special bringing it down to $287 for all 12 boxes, plus a free bonus box. Every month, you will get 6+ items. And there'll be at least 3 full-size products out of those 6 with a value of $125 or more. Again, always one product for me is like pays for the entire box that I normally end up keeping. So it's always a win-win for me because then the stuff that is not for me, I get to pass down to you guys, and I absolutely love that. So I will have Allure in the description box if you'd like to hop on over and sign up or see what they have to offer. If you'd like to see other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I do so many different types of videos. If you see one that pops up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. All right, you guys. So again, that is everything that I have to say and show for this particular video. Again, comment down below and let me know what you thought. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.